everyone, welcome to the Sati Consulting channel. My name is Satira Grant and just want to introduce myself. I have over 20 years of experience that's combined in education, professional development, training and in instructional design. So today we're going to start our series of videos on instructional design. And you can also send me some messages. You can contact us and let us know what you would like to see. What videos would you like to see? And I want to make sure that if you like this video, share it with your instructional design network and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more questions answered about instructional design. We have so much more to share with you and we're ready to get started. So in this video, we will answer the question, will AI replace instructional designers? Let's get into it. So what is AI? Well, AI, the definition, is a branch of computer science that deals with the creation of intelligent agents, which are systems that can reason, can learn, and act autonomously. So it can be taught to perform, to answer questions, and again, reason and learn and act autonomously. And artificial intelligence, or else we'll refer to it as AI, it's rapidly changing the world. And the field of instructional design is no exception. AI is already being used to create more personalized and engaging learning experiences, and its impact is only going to grow in the years to come. That's the way I see it, in my opinion. So for example, if you ever use AI-based text-to-speech, such as Natural Reader, WellSaid Labs, Amazon Polly text-to-speech, Google text-to-speech, or Read Speaker AI in your e-learning courses as an instructional designer, you know the convenience and the power of AI already. So how is AI already being used in instructional design? Well, some of the ways that AI is already being used in instructional design is in personalized learning. AI can be used to create personalized learning experiences by tailoring that content and those assessments to the individual learner's needs. And this can help those learners to pretty much learn more effectively and efficiently. AI is also being used in gamification. Okay, and adding elements to gaming, to learning experiences, to make them more engaging, make them more fun for learners. And this can also help increase learner motivation and retention. Another way is adaptive learning. Now, with adaptive learning, AI can be used to create those adaptive learning experiences that adjust to the learner's progress in real time. And this can also help to ensure that learners are always challenged and supported at the right level. Another way is the automatic or automated feedback. AI can be used to provide automated feedback to learners, which can help them identify areas where they need to improve. And this can also help learners, again, learn more quickly and effectively. The impact of AI. Well, some of the ways that AI is expected to impact instructional design in the future includes AI being used to create new opportunities for instructional designers. Hey, this will give instructional designers time to focus on higher level tasks, such as creating the curriculum design and development of training. And it'll free them up to spend more time on those creative and strategic aspects of instructional design work. Another impact of AI is AI will help instructional designers to create more effective learning experiences, and by providing them with new tools and insights. For example, AI can be used to analyze learning data and identify patterns and trends that can be used to improve learning outcomes. And then lastly, AI can help instructional designers reach a wider audience by just making it easier to create and deliver learning experiences in a variety of formats. For example, AI can be used to create virtual reality and augmented reality learning experiences that can be accessed on a variety of devices. So, will AI eventually replace instructional designers? Well, AI is in its early stages of development. Um, some people believe that AI will eventually replace instructional designers altogether. They also argue that AI will eventually be able to do everything that instructional designers can do and more. But as you can see on the screen, AI, there's a few reasons why this may not happen because it's still in the early stages of development. Also, AI is not always reliable. You have to fact check some things that you are trying to get AI to respond to or provide content or information for. It is not always reliable. It may not be true. Some of the things that AI will actually um, produce for you. So you do have to do that piece. AI is it can make mistakes, and that can lead to learner frustration, decreasing learning outcomes as well. So although AI has made significant progress in recent years, it's still not capable of replicating like the human touch that's essential for creating effective learning experiences. I'll say that. And another reason is AI is not always affordable. The cost of developing and maintaining AI systems can be prohibitive for some organizations. Not everybody's going to be able to afford this technology. And it may cost more to even have this technology and teach people how to work it and use it than it would be to have that human touch and have humans involved in creating the learning. What is what is the impact of AI on future of instructional design? Well, that's really still unknown, but it is likely to be significant. I'll say that. AI has the potential to automate many of the tasks that are currently performed by instructional designers, like creating content, developing assessments, and delivering instruction. Now, anything that can make my job easier, I am always for it. So if AI can free up instructional designers so that they can focus on those higher level tasks, such as curriculum design and development, that would be amazing. And also by AI being able to automate tasks and provide new insights and help instructional designers to create a more personalized, engaging, and effective learning experience, then that is also another win for instructional designers to help make our jobs easier. You know, AI can also collect and analyze data in ways that were not possible before, and we could use this data to improve the effectiveness of learning experiences by identifying patterns and trends that can be used to personalize content, adapt instruction, and provide targeted feedback for learners. Now, overall, I would say that AI has the potential to really revolutionize the field of instructional design. It definitely would have an impact on the way that we do our work as instructional designers. I'm all for automated tasks, working smarter, not harder. That is definitely the way to go. And, freeing instructional designers up so that we could have that space to really be creative. And, sometimes we have all these time constraints, deadlines when projects need to be done, but there's also a lot of upfront things that need to be done, content assessments, creating assessments, and even creating the content. And AI can actually do that for you. But I would say that instructional designers would need to be the ones to QA that content, QA those assessments, make sure that it is targeting the needs of the learner. Would need to be So, to answer our question, will AI replace instructional designers? Well, AI has the potential, as we talked about before, to automate some tasks, but it'll never be able to replace that human touch. That's just essential for creating effective learning experiences. And instructional designers will still be needed to make sure they understand the needs of learners and stakeholders, develop those learning objectives and goals, select and adapt content, design and develop learning activities, create and deliver assessments, gather and analyze the data, and iterate learning experiences. So AI can certainly be a valuable tool for instructional designers. I said tool. It can be a valuable tool, but not a replacement for human expertise. AI is likely just to make instructional designers more effective, again, by freeing them up to focus on the creative and strategic aspects of their work. So if you like this video, be sure to contact us at info@saticonsulting.com or visit our website at www.saticonsulting.com. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, click that notification bell so that you get notifications whenever new content is available for you. And share this video with your network of instructional designers. Sharing is caring. Thank you for watching, everybody. Until next time, bye.